In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Express Checkout in your store. If you want to make the buying process faster and more direct for your customers, turning on Express Checkout is a simple but very effective setting to use. This option allows shoppers to skip the cart page and go straight to the payment step, which can help reduce friction during checkout and create a smoother purchasing experience. To get started, open your store settings and go to the Selling section. In some platforms, this area may also be labeled Commerce, so if you do not see Selling, look for Commerce instead. Once you are there, select Checkout. This is where you will find the main settings that control how customers move through the final stages of a purchase. After the checkout page opens, scroll down until you reach the Express Checkout section. Take your time here and make sure you are in the correct area before changing anything. The Express Checkout setting is specifically designed to shorten the path between product selection and payment, which can be especially useful if you want to simplify the process for customers who are ready to buy right away. When you find the setting, check the box labeled Enable Express Checkout. By turning this on, you are allowing buyers to bypass the cart page completely and go directly to payment. This can be helpful for stores that want to encourage faster conversions, especially when the cart page is not essential to the shopping experience. Once you have enabled the option, click Save to apply the change. This final step is important because the setting will not take effect until it has been saved. After that, your checkout flow will be updated and customers will be routed more directly to payment when they make a purchase. That is all you need to do. It is a quick adjustment, but it can make a meaningful difference in how streamlined your checkout experience feels. If you are testing changes in your store, it is also a good idea to review the checkout flow afterward so you can confirm everything behaves the way you expect. With Express Checkout enabled, you are